All right, guys, I'm here at Casa Candizel, and I'm here with Jose. What's your last name, Jose?
Camargo.
Jose Camargo. He's from UPS and not the other UPS. This is Universal Polishing Systems. And they are getting started. They're doing this by hand. I am completely blown away. I thought they were going to be bringing a honking machine. Why are you doing it by hand?
Because you have more control over the damage to the floor underneath. Since we're trying to save the floor underneath, you got to break the tile apart first and then cut away the thin set by itself. If you use a larger machine, you have no control at how deep the blade goes, and it usually gouges the floor up to and including making it unrepairable.
That is crazy. Well, better you than me, my brother.
That's why
Thanks.
we're here.
So that's it. I'm here with the UPS crew and day one of reconstruction, deconstruction.